In 2009, we opened our first location in Sarasota, Florida. Nobody knew at the time what was a macaron. After a few weeks, the people, they were coming and they were bringing friends, family. And after a few months, we saw people driving 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours just to come and buy some macaron.
There are a lot of different types of macaron, and I think that our macaron are really different because we use fresh products.
Du macaron French pastry sont uniques parce que nous utilisons donc la recette française, donc la pure recette parisienne, et nous utilisons les meilleurs ingrédients que nous pouvons trouver en Europe et partout dans le monde. Par exemple, donc la vanille que nous trouvons à Madagascar. Le café, nous prenons le café colombien qui est le plus reconnu dans le monde.
It's very simple because we do all the baking for you. You don't have to wake up at 3 a.m., do the grocery, do the baking. We do it for you.
Produit qui est très intéressant puisque c'est dans sa conception, dans sa recette, nous devons donc le congeler. Ce qui fait que de l'envoyer dans toutes nos franchises aux États-Unis, cela n'altère pas la qualité des macarons. Bien au contraire, ça aide à restituer l'intégralité du goût du macaron, puisque cela fait partie de la recette de congeler le macaron.
I help the franchisee open up their business in the easiest way possible. We are always here for them to answer any question, anything they can ask about the product, the process, the delivery.
As soon as they sign the franchise agreement, I'm here to help them. The first step is of course to select a good location, either for a mobile cart or for a store. This is the main step. Location is the key of the business. Preparing the layout, establishing as much as possible the store to be the more efficient possible. Second step is to learn how to be a good manager in the store. When the store is open, I'm here to help them on daily management, how to increase the average sales, how to train sometimes employees.
We have been there before them, so we know what it is to open up a store, and we know how stressful it can be sometimes. We are here to help them be comfortable and confident about their business.
From day one, our franchisee, I like part of my family. It has been very nice to have this family extended. If you are considering becoming a franchise owner Le Macaron French Pastry, come to Sarasota. Come to see us on our Discovery Day. I will be so pleased to welcome you and to make you try all our delicacy. We are growing so fast, and we don't want you to miss the opportunity to be the first to open a macaron French pastry in your city.